welcome to JAcademy. In this video, I'll show you how to encrypt a PDF file. Okay, so first of all, you need to install a module called py PDF2. So you need to go to your terminal and then type pip install py PDF2. So it is case sensitive, just be careful when you are typing and press enter. Okay, since it is installed, it took less time in my computer, so might be it will take some more time in your computer. So after it is done, what you need to do is that you have to see the path of your project. Okay, so you can go to your Python console and check out where it is. So your path is there, like C drive, user, in Dell, and then you have PyCharm project and Python project 1. Okay, so in this path I am going to save the PDF which is your Harry Potter. Okay, the PDF name is Harry Potter, and you can see when I am clicking this PDF, it is getting opened, right? So I have taken this from the Wikipedia. So you can take any of the PDF that you want. So next what you need to do is that you have to write the program for that. So first we are going to import the py PDF2, and then after importing we will open the file and we will write PDF reader equal to py PDF dot PDF file reader, and in that we are going to open the file Harry Potter. Okay, and remember to keep in the read binary mode. Okay, because we are reading from this PDF. After that we have to make an object of PDF writer. So that can be made using py PDF2 dot PDF file writer. Okay, so once you make the object, you can use this PDF writer to write the file. So now we are going to read the content of the Harry Potter. Okay, using the PDF reader, we'll read all the pages, and then we will write we'll open a new file which will be called Encrypted Harry Potter, and there we are going to write using the PDF writer. So next what we can do is that we have to read the page. For page num in range, so we are going to read the number of pages. Okay, and then you can use your PDF reader dot num pages. So the total number of pages will come here. So if it is 3 pages, so all the 3 pages will be there. So whenever you use range, so the value will be from 0, 1, 2, because the indexing in the PDF PyPDF2 it will be starting from 0. Okay, so next we need to use the PDF writer dot add pages of the PDF reader dot get page and the page number. So it will start with the 0, 1, 2. So all the content of the page will be added to the object of PDF writer. Okay, so once it is done, what we need to do is that we have the PDF writer and we need to encrypt first. So we are going to use encrypt, and I am going to give the password as Harry123. Okay, and then we need to create a file, so I'll name it output file and open that file. So the name of the file I'll give encrypted Harry.pdf, and this will be open in the right binary. After that, we will use the object of PDF writer and we will write in the output file. So once it is done, we will close the output file and there you go with your program. Let us run this. Okay, it is done. Now I am going to open my encrypted Harry, and you can see it is asking for the password. So if I give, suppose, the password as Harry123, there you go. And suppose if I am giving a wrong password, so I am going to write something like 12345 and press OK. No, the password is incorrect. You can also do one thing, you can delete the old file, PDF file, because you got a new encrypted password. So that's all for this video, guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share, like and comment to this video. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.